All right. So anytime I find a useful software tool that can help our recruiting efforts at scale, I always want to put it out there and let you all know about it so you can benefit from it. Now, let me start by saying I do not take credit for this find. My girl, Samantha Sanders, you can find her on LinkedIn, phenomenal. She brought it to my attention and she's been testing it. So again, I don't want to take credit for finding this tool. Samantha Sanders was the source, but I will tell you, I've been using it this entire week. And I really feel like I finally have a cheaper alternative to Zoom Info. So I've been using Zoom Info for, 10 plus years. And the price every year just got more and more expensive, as you probably know if you've researched it. It's a great tool for getting data. Zoom Info is probably one of the most reliable tools out there, but they're asking like over $7,000 per user right now, and it's very expensive. So this tool right here, Apollo.io, I have found to be just as useful as Zoom Info, if not better, with more functionality. So let me kind of give you guys a quick preview of what I'm seeing so far. And I'm actually having a phone call today with their sales executive to upgrade to a higher plan. I'm on their free plan right now. And what's cool about the free plan is it offers so much. So you don't even need to purchase this from what I'm seeing. You could get a lot of functionality and use out of a free version if you're on a shoestring budget right now. But if you pay a little money, you obviously get unlimited searches, which is great if you really want to scale out your recruiting efforts to get more clients or more candidates. One thing I've been testing is the sequences feature. So in here, you can set up a sequence. They actually have pre-built templates in here where they'll suggest emails that you could send out. You can clone one or you can create a new one. So I created a new one. Let me get out of here. I just called it my name. And I've got a sequence of 4 emails that are going out to a list of over 3,000 people that I had from a CSV target list that I brought into Apollo. And I'm dripping this out over probably, 3 weeks. Really cool. It syncs up with my Gmail account and you hit the go button and it's good to go. It's got a really robust reporting tool in here as well. So you can track all your stats. You can see when your emails are going out. You can see who's open, who's not opened, your emails, who's responded to you. Let's see here, opened. So I've only had one open so far. So I've been tweaking my messaging, and then your replies are here. Anytime that one of your emails gets bounced or reported to spam, you can delete them so it gets out of the sequence so it doesn't happen again and give you a negative rating against your domain, right? Another cool thing that I'm seeing in here is the ability to scrape leads off LinkedIn. So you go to search and people, and here you can do a search here for your ideal avatar, your ideal client profile, or if you're candidate sourcing, your ideal candidate. And this integrates with LinkedIn. So you can run as many, let me move my face, Boolean searches right here on the left-hand side as you want and get a hit here, and then bring all of these leads. You can export them to your CRM. You can literally start an email sequence within this platform, and it goes out and it can email all these people, as well as I think it can actually connect with them on LinkedIn. I haven't got there yet, but what I'm seeing value in right now is the ability to bring in really targeted qualified leads and get an email sequence out to them at mass, and also interact with them on LinkedIn with my article posts, with my videos, etc. So far, I think it's a great tool. You can even set up calls in the sequence. So if you want to email 3 times, if the prospect doesn't get back to you, you can automatically have this dial out to the prospects. That's also what I'm learning. But I'm still, playing around with it. I see a lot of CRM capabilities and ways to integrate different platforms on here, but check it out. See if you like it. Again, the free version is great. I'm having a call today with their sales executive. I might come back on here and give you all an update on what benefits you get from paying some money, but really the plans aren't that expensive. Here you go. So I'll probably look at the professional plan for $80 a month. I mean, give me a break. If I land one client off here, it's a no-brainer. I think this is probably all that I'll need right here. So hope that helps, guys. Thanks.